We created a plan in order to create the graphics portion for our music video. The first step that we took was practicing using the digital software that would be used to make the graphics. We did this on Procreate. The second step that we took was drafting the designs for the logo and the artwork for the Fortune accounts. We did this so we would have a solid framework once we started actually creating the graphics.
The third step that we took was revising the color scheme. We revised the color scheme to ensure visual harmony and enhance the overall aesthetic appeal of the design. The fourth step that we took was adjusting the typography and font choices. We adjusted the typography and font choices to improve readability and ensure consistency with the overall design theme. The fifth and final step that we took was adding final touches and refining details to ensure the design met the project requirements. We added final touches and refined details to ensure that every aspect of the design was polished and aligned with the project's objectives and specifications. This involved fine-tuning elements such as color gradients, shadows, and alignments to achieve a visual appealing and cohesive final product. The first skill that we chose was color theory. Understanding color theory is crucial in graphic design as it dictates how color interacts and evoke emotions in a design context. For materials, we used color wheels, swatches, and online resources to explore color harmonies and combinations. We assessed this skill through practical exercises where the designer had to create designs using specific color schemes and justify their choices based on color theory and principles. The second skill that we chose was typography. Typography involves selecting and arranging typefaces to enhance readability and convey visual hierarchy in design compositions. For materials, we utilize typography books, font libraries, and design softwares to explore different typefaces, styles, and typographic principles. We assessed this skill through design projects where the designer had to effectively apply typography to communicate information and evoke desired emotions, while also considering factors like legibility, readability, and aesthetic appeal.
We had to make changes to our product once we started actually making it. The major change that we had to make was separating the schedule posts into two separate posts. On Instagram as well as TikTok, we realized that we could not fit both the announcement dates for the music video and the behind-the-scenes footage in one post. So instead, we created two separate posts for them, one that was 2 by 3 panels wide and another that was 1 by 3 panels wide.